find a new classroom management plan because mine is not working as well as it has in the past. And I don't know which management plan is going to be more effective.
I have a management plan in place, but I'd like to make it better and add to it.
Well, I have a great management plan that can be incorporated into any grade or subject.
Well, what is the management plan that is so much better than the ones that we already have?
I can show you on the computer. This is the slideshow that I set up for my 5th grade class that you can change around each slide for your specific class or specific subject. So this would be the first slide that they would see in the morning. Between 8:35 and 8:45, your voices need to be silent. If you need help, you need to raise your hand or approach the teacher. Read directions on the board. Put backpack away and take out homework. And begin the entry task or entry or opener. Ready to learn by 8:45 and hands and feet to yourself. As you can see, I have many more slides over here that say each thing that I need to for each class and for each subject that I'm doing. So if there's a test, I would put this up on the board while they're taking a test to remind them that they need to be silent. If you need help, write your name, etc. If we're doing independent work, I would put this up on the board so that they would be reminded of what to do each time that we're doing independent work. But if we were doing like during instruction, then this is what you would put up right before you did your instruction. Then you take it down or keep it up during your instruction depending on if you need the board or not. And then there are other slides I have throughout my PowerPoint, and then I would just send this to you, and then you can change it however you want based on your classes and subject.
That's so easy to set up, and I could use it from year to year and for all of my classes that I have. So how do I keep track each day if the students are behaving based on the PowerPoint?
And what consequences happen if they don't follow the PowerPoint?
Those are 2 great questions, and that's how we keep track with the weekly tracking sheet. As you can see, I put all of the students' names in a tracking sheet each day, or for each week. And then I have a key at the bottom, and it says if a tally equals 30 seconds of recess owed, or anything that you want to take away from them. So if they're not doing what the PowerPoint says, then you tell them you get a tally, and they know what a tally means. If they didn't turn in, say, their math homework, then I would put an M in the square next to their name, and that way I know that they didn't complete the math homework today. And that's the same for spelling, and writing, and reading homework.
Great way to keep it all together, so if a parent asks what their child is missing or about their behavior, it's all on the same paper.
And I can now see how I can incorporate this into my classroom.
I'm glad that you 2 find this very useful for your classrooms, but there are a few more steps that I want to show you that are very important.
Thank you, Miss Management.